Your good name is?
Hemant Raju, sir.
What is your age?
71.
71. So, what you used to do earlier?
Earlier I was a bank officer.
In which bank?
State Bank of Mysore. Now it is State Bank of India.
Wonderful. Today is the 24th,
24.
December 2022.
Yes.
You tell me the experience of your IBS after taking the miracle drinks treatment protocol.
Sir, it is horrible situation. Just it's a miracle. I have come out of this IBS problem and I am feeling as good as I am earlier, 1.5 years back.
Wonderful. Great.
1.5 years, since from 1.5 years I am suffering this IBS problem with dysentery. I underwent so many medical and allopathic and everything, even for this thing, what you call it as gastro,
Acid reflux.
acid reflux and everything, all examinations have been, all medications have been taken 1.5 years. My health has gone, I have gone down 14 kgs down.
Okay.
Now I am really happy after taking this medicine. I am feeling that as I was earlier 1.5 years back.
Wonderful. You are from which place?
I am from actually Davanagere, from settled in Bangalore only. Bangalore only.
Wonderful.
Really wonderful medicine. Really I feel so happy. Happy means I am sharing this incidents with my.
Because the reason, once the person who is having IBS, they think that I have to suffer till end of our life.
Yes. That's
So
what
now I wanted to say to the community that it is not so.
Yes, sir.
There is a solution in Ayurveda.
Ayurveda.
That's what, new Ayurveda which
Yes, truly I
I have developed.
appreciate this is a miracle, what I can say.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you.